English shortened dictation, compilation of selected passages from parliamentary debates. 100 words per minute. I dictated 100 to 110 words per minute. Start. Sir, I beg to move that the bill to provide for the reorganization of the existing state of Andhra Pradesh and for matters connected therewith has passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Sir, the movement for a separate state of Telangana has a long and checkered history. It may be recalled that this region within the existing state of Andhra Pradesh had a distinct political and cultural identity. There have been movements for a separate state in both the Telangana region as well in the rest of Andhra, which reached a peak in late 60s and early 70s, which were resolved for the time being through decisions and arguments in the last few years. However, there has been a resurgence of social, economic, and political aspirations of the people of this region. This bill seeks to meet the democratic aspirations of the people of the Telangana region by reorganizing the existing state of Andhra Pradesh into two separate states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. I would like to reassure, accommodate that concerns and interest of all the stockholders. I can say with justifiable pride that we had invited and received suggestions from the entire cross section of the Andhra Pradesh society, and every suggestion had been evaluated and dealt with appropriately when the bill was being prepared. The draft bill prepared was referred by the Honorable President to the Andhra Pradesh State Legislature for giving their views by 23rd January 2014. At the request of the state government, an extension of 70 days was given and the 13th January was fixed as the deadline. After receiving the views of the state legislature, we also received numerous suggestions from various quarters. These have been considered and examined by the government. Amendments formulated on the basis of these suggestions were brought before the Lok Sabha, and the amended bill is now placed before this august House for kind consideration. The bill considers as aspects of governance for both the successor states and necessary supplemental and incidental provisions relating to representation in Parliament and in the state legislatures, distribution of revenues, appreciation of assets and liabilities, management and development of water resources, power and natural resources, ensuring peace and harmony, and how to address the development needs of the backward regions and other matters. It must be understood that this has not been easy decision. Stop.